Hello everyone. Coming back today with another Cressida body kit video. We got the front bumper on, fitted okay. We got the side skirts on, fitted just okay. This isn't the final fitment, but just trying to get everything on there. So today we will be working on getting the back bumper into shape. It came in 2 pieces over here, so we will have to splice them back together real quick. Here you are. So 2 pieces cut somewhat in the middle. There's a bit of a gap. Not exactly sure how well it'll fit together. Somewhat okay like that. I was working on bending this down a little bit. If you can see, it looks at a bit of a different angle, but I think I'm gonna throw in the helper piece that they include right here. Pretty much you just take this, grind this down, throw this in there, and then use these holes that they have to locate here in the bumper, screw in from the outside, and then fiberglass the inside. I have no fiberglass experience, and it is like 30-ish. I don't know the temp here in the garage. I'll try to not open the door or leave it open, but I do have to sand down the bumper to get the fresh fiberglass to stick. So we'll see how that goes. I'll show you what I'm working with here in a minute, and we'll get to it. So I've got some fiberglass mat and some fiberglass resin from Bondo. That's what I'll be using today. I'm gonna mix this resin, and then I'm going to cut out some of these sheets and get it on the bumper. I honestly did not record anything because I started to mix the resin, and since it's so cold, it was just so globby. You know, it wasn't very fluid and easy to spread, so I just kind of had to full send it. Get my flashlight here. It's definitely not great, but it's definitely gonna hold. It's a little messy, but there's a layer on the back of the helper piece, slightly larger on this side of it, and then even bigger. So we got 3 pieces adhering it. Tried to line this up as best as I could. It's pretty good. Not perfect. Here you can see there's a little mismatch in that, and that's pretty darn good, but overall pretty happy. You can see it looks pretty good. And now I'll just have to modify this bumper bar to have a little bash bar and to be the right width to hold this up, and we should be good. bumper fitted pretty good. Not perfect, as we've seen in the past. There is still a little bit of gap up here that I need to heat and pull up. And over here, pull it up just a little bit further as well. But looking pretty good for how we stand. Other side needs way more work. Still, this has to be pulled back and up this way. This has to be pushed in. So, for the moment, it's looking good. It's satisfactory to the point where I can, you know, measure out the exhaust and where I want to get that fitting. So, this will be kind of a final update on the kit. Working on the kit. Don't want to bore you with, you know, tweaking fitment and things like that, but I'll show you the fenders and whatnot. Maybe I'll show you what I have to do to get these in, but other than that, I don't want to spend too much time on it. But here it is. Pretty satisfied, looking nice and aggressive. Took it off the ramps the other day and it just cleared, so that's perfect. Once this is a millimeter higher in the back, it'll have good clearance. And yeah, so that will be that. Quick teaser. Little exhaust. Action. Catch the next video for that, and we'll see you there. Catch you later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and enjoy Miles's new car. And now for something fun and different. A couple weeks ago we went down to New Jersey. I went with Myles and we picked up a Cressida for him. We'll roll that footage now and then I'll see you in the next video. Yes. Oh, it's smoky. Oh my God. First drive in the Cressida. Myles, say hi.
Oh shit. Car.
Shit. We got the fixed back. Stock seat.
She's smoking, dude. This thing, oh yeah.
Careful.
I know. No, it's not great. Told you it's not good. But it's bearable. Very bearable. What's your hit? That's big what she said. Will you roll me that jack handle, please?
So we took her on a little test drive, and she had some real good death wobbles.
This is why, though.
This is good, very good death wobbles. Now we got Myles under there. Master technician has diagnosed a lack of rack bushing. No bushing anywhere to be found except for in the spare parts in the trunk, which we found. We're now doing a side of the street install. Hopefully it removes the death wobbles.
Yep. I feel like the bush might still be. Oh yeah, there we go. Dude, I want to. It's like the perfect spot to pry.
2J, no shit.
2J,
no shit.
Oh wait, that might have sent her.
Got the VS6s on here. We got parts for days in the back. We got ECUs on ECUs. Sheesh. Myles, what's going on here?
Car.
Oh, nice skull on your sweatshirt.
Yeah.
Another Cressy has been acquired by the boys. Official member of
Official Underground, yeah.
Midnight Club.
Already know.
Gangster.
Been shut down.
Gangster. Mismatch. Tape gang.
Pre-prime gang.
Pre-primered. With a nice heart of gold under there. Oh! Nice. Well.
Yeah, no, big sense.
Good.
Big sense.